What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about MBL Moviebloc, which has pumped up over 24% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 0.004483 cents. As you guys can see, earlier this morning it did pump up a little bit higher, has taken a slight dip over the last couple of hours, but what we're going to be going through in today's video is now the right time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and essentially look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and going into 2024, which is just around the corner. Is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? Can it give you a decent amount of return on investment in 2024 as well? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So we are looking at the daily chart and we can clearly see Moviebloc is trading above its average value. So its actual value right now is here in red, and its average value that is predicted to be trading at is here in purple, so it is above it, meaning it's performing quite well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from MBL over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Moviebloc to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping below 0.004 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to consistently drop in value from this point onwards. Of course not. I'm expecting it to peak back up to around 0.005 cents, near about that target, over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value below 0.004 cents towards this evening and by the end of the day today. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit skeptical. We got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Moviebloc over the next 6 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week. However, I am expecting Moviebloc to have gone for an overall drop in value once again over the next week or so, and at this point we should be trading around 0.0035 cents by mid next week, guys. And again, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit red and green days in between as well, but unfortunately the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking very bullish, very steep as well. The blue line especially is looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, the crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going at this pace, so on and so on. But what we can see is that since the start of September, the crypto has been slowly and steadily gaining value. Yes, we have seen the odd red day here and there in between, but overall it has been moving towards the positive direction, and that is what I'm expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks as well. So mid to late December 2023, I am expecting Moviebloc to slowly increase in value, potentially heading towards the 1 cent target. Again, I'm not saying it's going to hit the 1 cent target, but heading close to there is what I'm expecting from Moviebloc towards the end of the year. And again, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting $40,000 towards the end of the year as well. So if that does happen, then Moviebloc will also be able to head very close to the 1 cent target. But if there are any major updates like a major crash or a bull run or a price bump or anything that can have a major positive or negative impact, I will of course let you guys know as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to head upwards here to hit the resistance target, which is 0.006 cents, which I'm expecting it to hit by mid to late November, depending on how the crypto market performs, and head into the green zone in December is what my predictions are at the moment, unless of course Moviebloc come through a major update or a major news that can have a positive or negative impact. Yeah, but at the moment I'm expecting an overall increase in value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 450%, making it $169 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. A lot more people are trading the crypto right now, as I'm pretty sure it is in one of the top gainers list. As you guys can see, the 5th top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So is getting a lot of attention from a lot of investors, and also a lot of people are selling it, taking out their profits as well. So it works hand in hand, and hence why the trading volume is going up right now, and I'm expecting it to keep going up as well over the next couple of hours. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Moviebloc. For those of you guys asking, is now the right time to buy it? Personally, I wouldn't invest into the crypto, but if I really did want to invest into it, I would wait for it to drop down in value over the next couple of hours and days as well, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, and then invest into it and potentially sell it in December, January time, depending on how it performs. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Moviebloc, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated 3-4 times a week or whatever it is you guys want. I'll do that for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting Moviebloc to hit in 2023 and 2024, as well, as I'm intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.